Hi there. We're going to do our tune-up report on the Raptor 2 by Magnum. This is for Gregg. He's in Massachusetts. Gregg, on this watt meter right here, let's see, I got 10 watts dialed up, so let's make sure I got it in low power. Low power, 2 watts. Now I'm going to stick it over here to the 30 watt scale on the bottom. That's 10, 20, 30. We'll be coming right in at 15. Alright, 15 watts. Now peak power in this radio, 100 watt slug. You're reading across the bottom here, 100, and there's 80. We'll be pretty close to the 80.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check.
And let's see what else we gotta do here. Let's put some echo on.
Audio. Check, check. Check, check. Audio. 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 Audio.
Pull these knobs apart a little bit. There we go.
Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. 1, 2.
Alright, let's take this radio on the air.
Breaker 19 for radio check. How about it, channel 19? Is my radio getting out? Come out.
Your radio's working, driver.
I appreciate it, driver. Have a good one. Drive safe.